So I've been hearing a lot lately about schools and how they're overpriced, how they don't prepare you, how you rack up tons of debt for no reason, how you can go to college without any reassurance that you're going to hit today's job market. And architecture really doesn't fall into that category, in my opinion. It's still very important to have a degree. For one, you're not going to be able to get actually registered as a licensed architect without it. I mean, you could become a great designer and learn the skills involved to be an architect without school. But the license is a very important step in your career, and you need to go for that first while you're in that zone, that time period. And the reason you need this is you need flexibility and you need to have the freedom a license can bring you. And what that license does is it allows you to break free of all the corporate firms and become your own employer. If you have any dream of opening up your own firm, you need to pursue your license, and you'll be able to hang your shingle and open your firm. And it's important because at some point in your career, you're going to get to that, you're going to get that feeling. You're going to want to have something of your own. You're going to want to start to build your firm and your own dreams. And school is the first step towards having that ability to do that. And when it comes to schools, there's many out there. What comes to mind as the best, right? There's Harvard, Columbia, all those Ivy League schools. School is very much what you make of it. What you decide to put in is what you're going to get out. I mean, you can coast through a local school, or you can go all in and get every bit of knowledge that you can out of it. So don't feel like you need to go to the very best in the country to get your degree. It's more important that you work hard and take advantage of all that the current school that you're going to has to offer. You get to know the professors, see how you can help them out. They'll usually have their own research projects that are going on, and see if you can get involved with those, get immersed in the program, and it's going to build your skills more than your fellow students that are just kind of slacking off. So when you graduate, you'll have the drive and the determination to go after the work that it is that you want.